In our upcoming video, we are thrilled to dive deep into the fascinating world of the retina, exploring its intricate structure and function to gain a comprehensive understanding of its pivotal role in the process of vision. Through this exploration, we aim to unravel the complexities of the retina's specialized layers and the remarkable photoreceptor cells that enable us to perceive the world in vibrant colors and intricate details. Furthermore, our video will not only focus on the normal functioning of the retina but also shed light on the captivating topic of abnormalities that can occur during the development of the eye. These abnormalities is essential to grasp the underlying causes and potential consequences they may have on visual perception and overall ocular health. Now, let's discuss the retina. As we have discussed, that there are two layers of the optic cup. This is the outer layer of optic cup, while this is inner layer of optic cup. Do you know the importance of the outer layer of optic cup and inner layer of optic cup? In the optic cup, there is an outer layer that develops into the pigmented layer of the retina, and an inner layer that becomes the neural layer. Let's discuss the part of the posterior 4/5 of the retina. This part of the posterior 4/5 of the retina, showing all the cells that make up this highly specialized tissue. First is choroid. Choroid is a thin layer of tissue that is part of the middle layer of the wall of the eye, between the sclera, which is white outer layer of the eye, and the retina, which is the inner layer of nerve tissue at the back of the eye. Then pigment layer, and then consists of cells forming the rods and cones of the photoreceptive layer. Do you know what are rods and cones? Well, rod cells are highly sensitive to light and function in night vision, whereas cone cells are capable of detecting a wide spectrum of light photons and are responsible for color vision. Now, deep to this are the bipolar cells, and deep to this are the ganglion cells. Deeper again lies a fibrous layer comprising the axons of these neurons, with axons leading towards the optic stalk. And we know that optic stalk that will develop into the optic nerve, while this is intraretinal space. This intraretinal space is also called as optic vesicle cavity. This was about the posterior 4/5 of the retina. The anterior 1/5 of the inner layer remains 1 cell thick. It becomes parts of the iris and ciliary muscle. This ciliary muscle is internally connected to the lens by the suspensory ligament, while this is cornea. Now, we are excited to delve into a captivating and informative exploration of the fascinating topic of eye abnormalities that arise during the developmental stages of the eye. This engrossing segment will unravel the intricacies and complexities that can occur during the formative processes of the eye, potentially leading to a diverse range of congenital eye disorders. With a keen focus on understanding the underlying causes and mechanisms behind these abnormalities, we will examine how they can impact various aspects of vision and ocular health. Neonatal vision is tested in the 24 hours after birth, and again at 6 weeks. Many abnormalities of the eye cause blindness, but not all. Most affect vision to some degree, and as newborn infants' eyes are not aligned, and an intermittent squint can develop, it is important that these tests are carried out. The eye abnormalities we are going to discuss are congenital cataracts, congenital glaucoma, coloboma, and albinism. First is the congenital cataracts. Congenital cataracts can be caused by infection, such as rubella during pregnancy, or by hereditary factors, but often there is no known cause. Cataracts may be identified from a squint, difficulty in focusing, or from the child holding his or her head at an odd angle to see. and in a few cases a clouding in the lens of the eye. Next is the congenital glaucoma. Congenital glaucoma is generally inherited and caused by an increase in intraocular pressure through excess fluid. It presents as watering of the eye with dilated pupils, irritability, and the cornea may be hazy. Treatments are aimed at decreasing the pressure through increasing the drainage of fluid from the eye or decreasing fluid production. Next is the coloboma. Coloboma is caused by incomplete closure of the choroid fissure. It would affect vision and can cause blindness in the most severe cases. There is currently no treatment. Last is the albinism. Albinism affects pigmentation in the skin, hair, iris, and retina, and is diagnosed from an eye examination. The lack of pigment in the iris and retina can lead to numerous eye conditions including macular hypoplasia, optic nerve hypoplasia, nystagmus, light sensitivity, and overall poor vision. As we conclude this video on eye development and abnormalities, we encourage our viewers to stay tuned to sqadia.com for more enlightening and knowledge-packed videos.
Empower your future with sqadia.com. Your journey to medical mastery starts here. Delve into a world where learning has no boundaries. Engage with our comprehensive online courses, designed to enhance your understanding and refine your skills. You control your education. Learn anytime, anywhere, at your own pace. Transform complex medical concepts into engaging, understandable modules. Experience learning that is as effective as it is enjoyable. Realize your potential, reach new heights, and be ready to take on the challenges of the medical field. This is not just about education. It's about preparing you for a successful career in medicine. sqadia.com. Transforming medical education. Shaping your future.